The celestial dance turned deadly. It begins with a tremor, not in the ground, but in the sky. The moon, once a distant guardian hanging peacefully in our night sky, is no longer still. It's getting closer. Day by day, night by night, it grows larger, brighter, and more menacing. Something has gone wrong. Gravitational balance is broken. The moon is falling toward Earth. At first, it doesn't seem real. Telescopes track its descent. Scientists fill the airway. But as the days pass, the evidence is undeniable. Our moon is spiraling in, pulled ever closer by Earth's gravity, and we have only weeks before impact. As the moon approaches, Earth begins to change violently. Tides become tsunamis. The gravitational pull between Earth and the moon intensifies, turning gentle tidal flows into city-swallowing walls of water. Coastal regions flood globally. Entire nations go underwater, and it's just the beginning. Tectonic plates groan and shift. The stress caused by the moon's increasing pull tears at Earth's crust. Earthquakes become routine. Volcanoes awaken. The ring of fire ignites in violent bursts. Ash clouds blot out the sun in some regions. Cities fall. Infrastructure collapses. Atmospheric chaos follows. Weather patterns warp beyond recognition. Superstorms feed on ocean heat and energy. Wind speeds rise. Temperatures fluctuate wildly. The planet begins to behave like it's being shaken from within, because it is. And above it all, the moon looms, now taking up a terrifying slice of the sky. It reflects so much sunlight that night is nearly abolished. Its gravitational pull stretches buildings, oceans, even our own bodies. Sleep becomes difficult. Migratory animals are disoriented. Natural rhythms collapse. The Earth begins to bulge toward the moon as if reaching for it. Cracks appearing in the crust. The planet groans under the pressure of a satellite coming home. Then comes the final day. With its descent accelerating, the moon now tears through Earth's upper atmosphere. It doesn't even need to strike the surface to end the world. The moon is over 2,000 miles wide. Its approach alone would compress the atmosphere, generating winds that move at hypersonic speeds. The shockwave from its entry would flatten everything for thousands of miles before impact. When the moon hits, it won't be like a bomb. It'll be like a planet crashing into another. The energy released would be equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. The Earth's crust would shatter. Continents would vaporize. Molten rock would rain from the sky. Tsunamis thousands of meters high would ripple outward in all directions. The collision would carve out a second, larger version of the Pacific Ocean, filling it with boiling magma and debris. The shock would reverberate through Earth's mantle, possibly splitting the planet apart, or even fusing it with the moon into a new hellish world. And yet, ironically, this is not science fiction. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3 point. But if somehow we reversed that, if the moon were pulled back by another massive force, or knocked from orbit by a rogue planet, or destabilized by alien engineering, we'd face the nightmare you've just imagined. The moon is not just a nightlight. It stabilizes Earth's axis, gives us tides, shapes weather, and may have even made life possible by calming Earth's chaotic spin. Billions of years ago, without the moon we wouldn't be here. But if it ever returns too close too fast, we won't be here for long. So what if the moon fell to Earth? We wouldn't just lose the moon. We'd lose Earth as we know it. From the tides to tectonics, the weather to the wobble in our axis, the moon is the quiet architect of balance. Remove that balance, or worse, bring it crashing down, and the forces that once gave us life will be the same ones that take it away. In the end, Earth wouldn't just be struck by the moon, it would be consumed by it.